Hey guys, Gaurav here, and today I want to tell you one thing that I have faced and that I wasted a lot of my time in my initial days, and I wasted a lot of time and I didn't make any money until I realized what I am doing. A few weeks back, I was at the event Game X, which is a sporting event for entrepreneurs, and I've met few of the people, and they are going through the same problem. They're having the same issue, and so I thought, maybe I should address it. Like when I was getting started, I was into SEO. I was building review sites. I was ranking them on Google and making commission. I was trying to make commission through ClickBank. But what would happen? Like I will go onto Facebook and I'll see someone from my list or some guru, they have posted about CPA, that they are making a lot of money with CPA. Then I will get influenced. I'll get influenced and I will start looking for how to do CPA. I will stop doing my SEO work, and that affected me a lot. Because I have been working for 3-4 months continuously on seeing how SEO works, and I was just like 5% or 10% away from making it work. But when I see someone else doing CPA, I was getting influenced, and I was trying to do and trying to follow what they are doing, and then again I'll have to start everything from the scratch because I had no idea about how CPA is doing, and at the same time I was living my SEO. And again the cycle would repeat itself. I will try to make CPA work for a few months, and again I will see someone else posting a screenshot about their YouTube channel, and then again I will start seeing how to do YouTube, or how, not just any method, maybe it's just another kind of method of doing that, and that would waste me a lot of time. And even after doing something for 3 months, following it for 6 months, I wasn't getting any results, because you do something for 3 months, you give your efforts, you give your everything, you learn that from scratch, and as soon as you were about to get the results, you stop doing that and you start following something else. Then again everything that you have learned have been wasted, and when you start doing something new, again you have to learn everything from zero. You have to start everything from zero, and once again you about to get results, again we see someone else posting something on social media, and again we will lost our track. So what I would say is that whatever you are doing, whether it's SEO, it's list building, mail marketing, CPA, make sure you have a plan, make sure you have a goal, and you follow just that. Don't get influenced from all the posts that people make. Okay, if you do that, it's only going to delay your success, and it has happened with me. And I only started making money when I stick to one method. I stick to creating ClickBank review sites in my first year, and once I have made that, I started with list building, I started with product launches, and I'm still doing list building, I'm still doing product launches, and I've grown my list. I've done huge product launches, and that's only because I didn't get influence from other people, what other people are doing. Just make sure you keep doing what you are doing and do it the right way. And even if you are looking to grow your business, make sure you learn more about, get expert in the area that you are in right now. And if you buy courses or softwares, just stick to the same thing that you are doing. So I hope that really worked. This is something that I have faced in my career, and this is the same thing that I have seen a lot of people doing online, who are getting started or who are here for the last few months. They try to do one thing, they do it for a few months, they stop doing it, they start doing something else, they do it for a few months, and then again they stop doing it, and they waste a lot of time. So this should be an eye opener, and whatever you are doing, stick to that one thing and become an expert at it. And if you just keep doing it for 1 year, you will see a lot of tremendous success, and you'll make a lot of money, and that is for sure. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you.